Hello dear learners, welcome to Engineering Chemistry Lectures. I am Professor Makaran Kulkarni from Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. Let us start unit number 1, Water Technology. Let us start lecture number 1. What you are going to learn in today's lecture: introduction, in which impurities in water, types of water, soft water and hard water, types of hardness, temporary hardness and permanent hardness, and units of hardness, like different units of hardness and their relation. Introduction, that is impurities in water. There are 4 main types of impurities are present in water. First one is suspended impurity. Example is soil, sand, organic waste present in the water. Second is colloidal impurities. Example is organic or inorganic matter, particle size 10 to 1000 angstrom. Third is dissolved impurities. Example is gases like O2, SO2, NH3, H2S, CO2, etc. in a water. And lastly, biological impurity like bacteria, algae or fungi present in a water. Types of water. There are 2 types of water, mainly soft water and hard water. What is by soft water? The water which forms leather or foam with soap called as a soft water, or the water in which sodium and potassium salts of carbonates, bicarbonates, sulfates or chlorides are present, like matter size is 10 to 1000 angstrom, present in that water known as a soft water. Now look at here. In this picture it is very clear to us. When water is a soft and we are trying to form or react the soap with the water, the formation of a foam which indicates the water is a soft water. Second is hard water. The water which does not produces lather or foam with the soap known as a hard water. It contains a calcium and magnesium salts of the carbonates and bicarbonates, sulfates or chlorides are present. Look at here. In this picture, when we try to react a soap with the water, there is no any formation of the foam or lather, which indicates the water is a hard water. How soap reacted with the hard water? Soap is nothing but the, for example, a stearate ion like calcium ion if present in the water, and we are trying to react with the soap, that is stearate ion, there is a formation of a calcium stearate. Look at here. This is the soap, fatty acid. If water contains a hard ions, cations like calcium, magnesium, it forms the precipitation which doesn't allow to form the foam. What is the hardness of water? The water contains calcium and magnesium salt of carbonate, bicarbonate, sulfur or chlorides, etc. called as a hard water, and this property of water is called as a hardness of water. There are 2 types of hardness. First is a temporary hardness called as a carbonate hardness. Second is a permanent hardness or non-carbonate hardness. Now, temporary hardness is the hardness in which we can easily remove by the chemical treatment or the boiling, and all containing the carbonate like calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, etc. Permanent hardness are not easily removed by simple boiling. Those are containing chlorides, sulfates, etc. like non-carbonates. Now, units of hardness. Hardness can be expressed in different units. First is the ppm, that is parts per million or milligram per liter. What is by parts per million? 1 part of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present in 10 raised to 6th part of water. It is called as 1 ppm. Similarly, 1 milligram of the CaCO3 present in 1000 ml, that is 1 liter of water, known as a 1 ppm or 1 milligram per liter. Second is degree Clark. So degree Clark means 0.007 point of that calcium carbonate present in a 1 liter. Degree French, 1 part of calcium carbonate present in a 10 raised to 5th part of the water. So these are the different units, and this is the relation. 1 ppm is equal to 1 milligram per liter, which is equal to 0.1 degree French, which is equal to 0.0 degrees Clark. What you learn? Types of water, hardness of water, types of hardness, and these are some questions those you can easily solve by studying today's lecture. Thank you. Save water, save life.